Good evening. It's a nice night to hang out in the home lab, drinking a beer that had a cork in it with a mermaid on the front. So let's build the circuit. What we have here is a little sound effect generator. And the way this thing works is we start with a 2-axis gyroscope that was liberated from a gyro point computer mouse from a dumpster. We use that to control 2 voltage controlled oscillators. These are Linear Technology LTC 6990s. We take the output of those oscillators and put it into an exclusive OR gate that functions as a mixer. And from there we send the output to the stereo amplifier in the lab here. So let's have a look at what this thing does. Get the beer out of the way. There we go. So this is the gyroscope. It has one sensitive axis here, the other sensitive axis here. And you can see we get some pretty neat effects out of it. Wow, that is just trippy. And then let's see what that looks like on the scope. So we come over here, and momentarily we'll clip to the output. All right. What is this thing good for? Absolutely nothing, but it was fun. Good night.